Hello students, I am Bharti Shinde working as a lecturer in Praveen Patil Polytechnic College. In this video, we will see second chapter of engineering drawing and the name of the chapter is projection of solids. So we will take first example, a square pyramid, side of base 35 mm and length of axis is 65 mm, long resting on HP with all edges of bases are equally inclined to VP. Its axis inclined at 45 degree to HP and parallel to VP. Draw the projections. So first of all, we will draw a horizontal line XY. And this is X and Y. So XY line. Then it is given that axis of square pyramid is inclined at 45 degree to HP and parallel to VP. So we will assume that it is perpendicular to HP and sides equally inclined to VP. So as angle at 45 degree to HP given, so we will draw square pyramid in HP, that is horizontal plane. So I will draw one random line and take a point on this line. So from this point, draw horizontal line, and from this point we will draw a square pyramid having side 35 mm given. And as we know, for drawing square pyramid whose all sides are equally inclined to VP and the angle is 45 degree. So from this point we will take angle 45 degree now measure 35 distance because side of base 35 mm given, so 35 distance on these lines. And from this side also take 35. So this is 35 and this is 35. Now for next point you can take again 45 degree angle from here, or you can directly draw arc. Like this, so we will get last point. Give name to this square pyramid as A, B, C and D. And A shows center point of pyramid and give name to the center point of pyramid as point O. So this is center point O. Now length of axis 65 mm is given. So for this, take projections of this top view in front view. Draw projections by lifeline, and this is the base, and 65 length of axis is given. So measure 65 on this line. And now complete the pyramid. So it is a triangle. Give name to these all the points, that is C dash, this is B dash, D dash, this is A dash, and this center point as O dash. Give name to these planes as this is VP and this is HP. We will show this side as 35. And show this axis as 65. This is 65. Now axis is inclined at 45 degree is given. So take a point and measure 45 degree from this point. I will measure, this is 90 and I will measure 45 on this side. Now on this side we will draw this base of this triangle. So measure this distance from this point and give names to the points as so this is point A dash, this is center point B dash, D dash, and this is point C dash. Now I will draw dark this line. Rough the extra line. Now 45 degree angle is given, so measure 45 degree or you can measure directly 90 degree from this point. So automatically 45 degree angle line will be. So this is the point and and this angle is 45 degree from base. You can check. So 45 degree, and on this line axis will be there. So for axis, now here in this view we will draw this diagonal of the square pyramid, and this is the axis, so we will draw it by center line. So draw axis by center line like this. And now this is also a center line, and we will measure distance from B dash D dash point up to O dash. So from this to this, so we will extend the line, and here the point O dash. Now join O dash to point A dash and O dash to point C dash, and draw the center line. Like this. So this is the front view. Now top view is remaining. So for top view, take projections of this top view. This is stage 1. Stage 1, and this is here stage 2. So take projections. So take projections. I will extend these projections. And now take projections from front stage to front view. And now join all the points. So C dash and here C. So this is the point C. Then B dash D dash and here D. So this is point D. This is point B. A dash and this is A dash. So this is point A and this is point O. Now join all these lines. Join up to this point A. So this is the portion we will draw by dotted line. Because it is hidden portion. So in this way we have completed the top view of stage 2. Show here direction for observer. So here is observer. Now this is the complete diagram. As we have drawn all this, give center point name as OP. So here O dash, here also P dash. Then there is also a P dash, and this point shows P.